In this video, we're going to quickly run through the delete tool and kind of the undo redo tools. So delete is pretty easy. It is an action. So when you have it selected, you point at things that can be deleted, they highlight. So you can see as I'm moving my mouse over stuff, they will highlight. And if you press, it'll turn red. But if you drag off, it won't delete it. Same is true with the touch. So if you do have the delete tool selected and you touch on something and it goes red, you can drag off and you won't delete it. There is a shortcut key for delete. So if I, for example, have orbit selected up here and we press the D key, it will select the delete tool. Deletes are an undoable, redoable action. So if I were to delete, say, this all and then this line, I can undo that and undo the all delete, and then I can redo the all delete and redo the line delete. Creation is also an undoable action. So if I were to, say, create a new tape measure, I can undo the creation of that tape measure. That is true for, let me do a tape measure and all right here, and then let's add a chalk line across that. Now if I undo, I can undo all of those. Whoops, because you don't, let me redo that. Let me select a different tool so we don't see the all tool. We can undo the creation of the chalk line we did, we can undo the creation of that all, and we can undo the creation of the tape measure. And then we can redo those as well.